So this is Boatshed Cornwall. Welcome aboard this Plymouth Pilot 16. Just to give you a little tour around this little tiny boat so you can get an idea of what it is. Unfortunately the interior does need a little bit of a clean, but other than that it is what it is, I guess. The thwart up forward and down the starboard side has the motion control for the engine, and there's thwart aft deck with tiller rudder steering. And then I've left this open a tad so you can see there's a fairly new fuel tank, battery next door, engine console, and then if I lift this up we have the inboard, which is Havitas 2-cylinder. So I'll just show you the port side. Okay, so there's not much more to show you. This canopy. So this concludes the interior tour of this Plymouth Pilot 16. If you are indeed interested and I'd like to know more, then please do contact us at Boatshed Cornwall.